Everyone met at the contest venue. The underlined pronoun is an example of A, relative pronoun, B, indefinite pronoun, C, demonstrative pronoun, or D, interrogative pronoun. And the correct answer for number 11 is, you got it right. That is letter B, indefinite pronoun. Very good. Pag sinabi kasi nating relative pronoun is a pronoun that's used to introduce a relative clause. Ano po ba, sir, ibig sabihin ng relative clause? Ito pong relative clause natin, ito po yung sinisingit natin sa isang pangungusap, sa isang sentence to show to us an extra detail to modify the subject. Pag sinabi po naman po nating indefinite pronoun, we are referring to any people or thing that is not specific. Demonstrative, ibig sabihin ng demonstrative pronoun, meron po silang mga pointing function. Sabihin, we are pointing things. Okay? So for example, this, near me. Okay? Singular. Kapag these, okay? Hawak ko, okay? Tapos marami or pluralize, that is these. Kapag sinabi ko namang that, I'm pointing at something, that, okay? I'm referring to something that is far from me, okay? Malayo sa akin, and it's singular. Pag sinabi kong those, far from me, okay? Malayo sa akin, and it's plural.